So another one too many customs. Oh yeah. This one needs a little bit more work. Brand new brake cable. We're getting this together. It's gonna be nice. Deck repainted over. Clutch probably painted over. Engine be cleaned up. New spark plug, carburetor. The gas tank be cleaned up. The wheels be taken off. A whole nother breakdown. It's all in one day. Oh, you see it. Another one too many customs. Let's stay tuned. Front wheel bearings are blown out. I'm gonna put it on and show you how it works. A little walk because of the look at that, yeah. First layer. Now we get ready to peel off it. Oh yeah. What's going in next? Oh, let's do it. Hey. So now that it's all done and painted, it's time to put it back together. Be ready to take off the back tire to change the inner tube out. You see the inner tube, let me see, pardon me. The inner tube is all cut around the stem. That's where all the air coming out. Put a new tire on there. New inner tube in there. We gotta replace the new bearings on the front. Cause all the bearings are going out of that. Need new bearings. New carburetor. Should we clean that up a little bit? Maybe so, maybe so. But we're gonna put this thing together. We might go do another finishing touches up on the engine, transmission, and things. But this is just the beginning. So reassembling the scooter. Ball bearing that was messed up. All busted up, all grinded up. A brand new replacement. It's gone back in the front wheel. Been replaced. Let's work. Look how much dirt before and after. Half clean, half not. Look all around there. All gunked out. Let's get it clean. Time to remove the transmission so we can get this sanded down and done over. Now we got the clutch off, the transmission off. Clutch again coming loose. So right now we get ready to do the transmission over, peel off the sticker, sand down, prep. We'll be going back black. Half painted, half not. So now we're replacing the brake. This is gonna need to be replaced. We might need a new brake cable. We get ready to sand this down and paint this. Stay tuned. With the twist of the screw and the bolt, it came right out of there. Now that's a dangerous ride. You going and you hit the brake and it just boom. You hit that. Oh no. Oh no. So now we got the tank prepped up. We're gonna do the paint red. We got that gas level so we'll know how much fluid we got in here that be peeled off last. Let's get it. Now it's time for the reassemble. All the pieces are done, painted and ready. Put the front wheel on. Look at that new clutch. Look at them brakes. We should be good to go. Look at that new tank. Oh, we're gonna do this on here right quick. And I forgot to do this. On the back of the tank, some of my rigging, you'll be able to peel this off. So, you still can see the gay, you know, through the bike. Yeah, over to the bike. Yeah. So when you put gas in there, you can still see in there. Yeah, so another one too many customs. So now that the clutches are loose, there's no bolts on it. So somebody been working in this clutch before. Let's take it off. Somebody been in there messing around. It's not broke. Just the clutches are not engaged. Then you're about to replace them soon. But we're gonna put some screws and bolts in there and tighten it down. Replacement rings. Now look at that. No rocking, solid. Clutch replacement. Time to mount up the transmission. I got the wheel on so far right now. Had to shave that down. I think you need some pins for the back for the tight and the chain adjustment in the back. I don't know. So now we're going to put the transmission back on the clutch and reinstall the engine. Transmission is on there. Time to put the tank on. Oh yeah. Time to do all the cosmetics and bolts.